club owners on Flinders Street are welcoming the government's latest plan to crack down on violence on the party strip. The Safe Night Out strategy will see new legislation with tough penalties for people doing the wrong thing.
This is the scene from Flinders Street where a police officer was allegedly stabbed in the neck in December last year. And it's exactly the type of crime the state government wants to stop.
We want to change the culture. We want people to be able to have a great night out. We just don't want people to hurt or intimidate.
After public consultation, the Newman government has developed the Safe Night Out strategy. If it's passed, Flinders Street will become a safe night precinct to crack down on violence on the party strip.
Those individuals who muck up, making them responsible and accountable for their actions.
What that means is the government will target anyone who plans to do the wrong thing. There will be harsher penalties for offenders, including a new offence for coward punch deaths, more powers for police to detain intoxicated revellers, stricter rules for licensed venues, plus compulsory education in schools.
From our point of view here locally, we will support the Premier in relation to his way of curbing alcohol and drug-related violence. Part
of the plan also proposes ID scanners in all late-night pubs and clubs. Each venue will be networked so operators know who is partying and where.
It will allow venues to work together, but also allow the venues to work with police in curbing problem patrons.
Police say since Flinders Street was included in the government's Drink Safe Precinct trial in 2010, violence has dropped.
Having additional police in that precinct has been able to take those people out of the precinct that are exhibiting behaviour which is likely to occur in violence further in the night.
The plan is now in the hands of Queenslanders to have their say over the next month before it goes to Parliament. Benjamin Stavala, WIN News.